Your front door sets the tone for Valentine's Day, welcoming everyone with warmth, charm, and a touch of romance. Decorating your door is an easy way to spread love both inside and outside your home. From wreaths and ribbons to creative heart displays, there are countless ways to make your entryway feel festive. Let's explore Valentine door decor ideas that bring sweet, stylish, and heartfelt beauty to your space. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What's the final touch for Valentine door decor? Step back and check balance. Symmetry, color flow, and lighting should feel intentional. Add one standout piece to complete your romantic scene. Finished beautifully, like this if your door is officially Valentine ready. What DIY decor can I hang on the door? Make hanging hearts, paper fans, or layered felt pieces. Handmade decor adds personality and makes your door feel extra meaningful. DIY done? Like this if your door shows your creative heart. What colors work best for Valentine door decor? Red, pink, and white are classic, while gold or rose gold adds elegance. Choose shades that complement your home exterior or porch. Palette chosen? Like this if your door colors feel festive and sweet. What about using natural elements? Incorporate branches, greenery, or twine for a rustic touch. Natural textures soften bold colors and add cozy Valentine warmth. Nature added? Like this if your decor feels earthy and sweet. What about door signs or messages? Create signs with phrases like "Be mine" or "Love lives here." Use wood, chalkboard, or cardstock to craft a sweet Valentine greeting. Sign displayed? Like this if your door spreads heartfelt cheer. How do I style doormats and porch accents? Choose themed mats, lanterns, or potted plants. Layering these small pieces enhances your Valentine theme and frames your door beautifully. Porch styled? Like this if your entry feels polished and festive. How do I choose a door theme for Valentine's Day? Pick a style: romantic, rustic, glam, or playful. A clear theme helps you choose colors, materials, and accents that work beautifully together. Theme picked? Like this if your doorway vibe feels perfect. How do I add ribbons and bows? Tie bows onto wreaths, doorknobs, or garlands. Satin, lace, or glitter ribbon adds softness and romantic movement to your display. Ribbon styled? Like this if your decor feels elegant and charming. How can I use wreaths on a Valentine door? Hang heart-shaped, floral, or ribbon-wrapped wreaths. Add bows or mini hearts to create a romantic focal point right at your entry. Wreath hung? Like this if your door already looks welcoming. Can I use lights for a romantic glow? Use battery-powered fairy lights around wreaths or frames. Soft lighting adds warmth and sparkle, making your entry shine at night. Lights glowing? Like this if your doorway sparkles perfectly. Can I incorporate flowers into door decor? Yes, roses, tulips, or faux florals bring soft Valentine beauty. Add them to wreaths, hanging baskets, or garland clusters for a lush look. Flowers added? Like this if your doorway blooms with love. Can I decorate with door garlands? Absolutely. Hang garland around the frame using ribbon or twine. Add paper hearts or faux flowers to enhance color and texture. Garland ready? Like this if your entry frame feels dreamy. Valentine door decor is a simple, heartfelt way to celebrate love at home. Whether soft and romantic or bold and playful, your decorations create a warm welcome for everyone who stops by. Inspired by these door ideas? Like and check back for more Valentine decorating inspiration.